Meaning of Georgia O'Keeffe.
Georgia O'Keeffe.
Georgia O'Keeffe.
Georgia O'Keeffe.
Georgia O'Keeffe. Georgia O'Keeffe, 1887 to 1986, was an American modernist artist known for her paintings of enlarged flowers, New York skyscrapers, and New Mexico landscapes. Her art was characterized by its bold abstraction, vivid colors, and stark contrasts. O'Keeffe's work captured a sense of the sublime through the depiction of natural forms, emphasizing their organic shapes and textures. She played an important role in the development of American modernism and is recognized as one of the most significant artists of the 20th century.